Okay, thanks to the magic cameras in an hour, I got them all cut out. Now, I went ahead and clamped them on the pattern, and unfortunately there's some high spots here, and hopefully you cut yours too big. It's easier to cut them a little big, and you take a hand plane and just go ahead and match it to the size. And it's plywood, so it doesn't do it very well, but make chips, and they're wood chips. But this will give you a guide of what to go down to. Pretty good right here. Oops, shoot that. Close. It's a lot here. Okay, well, it's down to size. Okay, now the idea here is to go ahead and get a drill and drill through so they match. I was trying to figure how I could fit them in the drill press, but for the life of me I can't figure, so I'll just do it this way. This is the same size as most of these holes. Now when you're getting the drill, go ahead and tie the chuck key right to the cord. That way you never lose it. I learned that a while back, and because in my box of drills I must have half a dozen keys that look almost the same, and they aren't. So it's just old Black & Decker drill. This is just wood, so hold it nice and solid and try to keep it straight. Like yay. And a little bit of blowout. Something on the back of it. Okay. This one's going to be a little hard because it's one of the ones that got ripped clamps here. Okay, anyway, that's the process. Got 3 more boards to do. Okay, I've been using the old one as a template, and it's a little wobbly, and this is the one I had to rip out. So what I'm going to do, and this sort of thing you could avoid, but all the lines here are pretty much on here. Just going to move the clamps over, line this up with the holes. They're all lined up, see through. Clamp it down, and use the metal part as a guide, so that when you put this back together, that middle hole will line up. This is reversed, but it's in the center, so it shouldn't matter. Hopefully it won't be one way or left or right at the center. It's in the center. The reason I can't put it right side up is because of this lip. I have the 2 pieces clamped together, and I'll just use this hole as the guide for drilling down through, and try to keep it at a 90. There you go. So that's how you get around having this part be not a very good pattern here. Anyway, yet one more clip. Okay, well, got these all painted on one side, and I'm using Olympic deck stain. Cleans up water because they won't sell you oil-based anymore. And you know, set it up off the floor, and don't paint the edge if you got it on a flat table. I should have found something to set it up. You could paint the edge. Anyway, and of course you gotta wait until you turn it over, so this will be till tomorrow. Alright, well, here's the cart. It's back in use. Got it all back together. Let's see, wheels are pretty solid. The thing's all painted in new wood. Doesn't make too much noise when you move it around. Put a little bit of this logo on here. Kind of just made a stencil. Anyway, but the wheels, they're back to working. And there's no holes in it no more. So that's it, I guess. On to the next project.